Alright guys, we're out here with the FIMI for the first flight. I just want to fly it just for a couple of minutes to, you know, get the feel of it and stuff, you know, just to see how it acts. I'm going to bring it a little bit away from the trees here because I'm not picking up that many satellites. So I'm going to bring it out here a little bit more into the parking lot because it's been raining on and off all day, and I've been driving over here with the scooter trying to shoot some videos and then driving back. Well, I'm not driving that far. I'm just, there's the apartment building right there. right through these trees. So I just shoot. Again, I could hop over here in my scooter faster than I can get in my car and ride over here. So you need 11 satellites for it to work. For it to come in where it says ready to go GPS, you need 11. So now it's up to 13. And I will tell you, okay, that I did not buy this when it first came out because, of course, the obvious reasons. Half of them were garbage. I waited to the second or third production manufacturing run before I even considered picking this up, okay? I wouldn't even have considered buying this when everybody else bought this thing. So let me take off, and we're just gonna see how stable it is. Now I know, you know, this thing has this tilted horizon issue like all the FIMIs do. So we're just gonna let it sit here for a minute and hover. But I can't wait all day for it to stop sprinkling. Okay, so I can get out and fly this thing. So it is walking around a little bit, so you know, no big deal. Oh, it steers real nice. Yeah. There's that building. I think they're going to tear this building down, to be honest with you. No, I haven't messed with anything with this. I'm at 16 on the satellites. And I got my my thing out here with me today, the Evo. I gotta take that up for a couple of minutes and find out what the heck's going on with the... I think this building is coming down, guys. I'm gonna be honest with you. I think they're gonna demolish it. Well, first of all, it's condemned for one thing. But they've been stripping it, as you can see. Those windows that are open there. Right. They've got all the top windows all across the top all blowed out. So they've been thinking about, you know, blowing that thing up for sure. Now this tilted horizon issue, I can't really see. I don't have the grid up, but it looks like it might be a little tilted, but I'm just not sure. Now, like I said, updating this thing, believe me, was no small task. When I did the out of the box update type deal, wow. Okay, so yeah, it was a major endeavor. Okay, so it was a major endeavor. So I'm going to tell you what I did to get the update to finally take. Now, you see this thing's actually, there was another update that just came on today. And you see that it's flying, and I didn't do it. I refused it. So, yep. So this thing is flying pretty decently. I'm happy with it so far. It's not flying away or toilet bowling or doing any of that stuff. Now, the tilted horizon issue is just an issue that FIMI has with all of their products. So, something you just have to live with, you know. But it steers real nice. Let me get back to telling you what I wound up doing. Okay, so when you go in there and you turn it on for the first time, you go in there and you turn it on for the first time, you know, you have to do that update, you know. Well, so you're in the house, you know, you take it out of the box and you hook it all up, blah, 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 hook up the app, do all this mumbo jumbo, turn it on. Then it says, you know, click this to update, update failed, update failed, update failed. The update was only 20 megabytes, so it would sit there and spin around real quick. The thing would go all the way around like it downloaded it, boom, failed, 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 failed. Okay, so, wow, this kept happening for hours. I must have did it hundreds of times. I hit that thing and it just kept going fail, 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 fail. Okay, so I turned it off and went back and did something else for a while, you know. So then finally I came back and turned it on again, did it again, blah, 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 blah. Kept failing. Then I turned off the Wi-Fi to the phone. Okay, and then it went through using the data of the phone. So that's how it finally went through. And now when I turned off the phone Wi-Fi, it said on there, man, this thing flies. The bank turning is very nice. Wow, I'm loving that. Yeah, it steers real nice. Wow. Yeah, look at that. Wow. Very impressive. So, when it gets to the, when you go hit the update and the Wi-Fi is turned off, it comes and warns you, hey, there's no Wi-Fi. Just go ahead and go do it. It'll do it with the data. And it went through. When I used the data for the phone to do it, it went through. Yeah, this thing steers real nice, man, real nice. Wow. Oh, I accidentally hit that return to home. I don't want to do that. Oh, good. I'm glad it didn't do it. Or maybe it beeped it, it already knows it's here, you know. Maybe that's why it didn't do nothing. I know that one drone I used to have, I think I sent it to DeAndre, it would go into the return to home sequence even if you were right next to it, you know. It would just go, when it would get to the low battery, you know, warning. It was at JJRC, that Huron. It would get to the low battery warning, and even if the thing was standing right next to you like this, it would go up to the 150 feet. The first time that happened, it scared the crap out of me, to be honest with you. I thought it was flying back to Beijing. Oh yeah, this thing steers really nice. Look at that. Wow. You know, like I always say, if it don't fly good, it's no good. Okay, guys. We're going to wrap it up. I want to take my Evo up for a few minutes and see if that phone disconnecting issue was the app, was it the drone, was it the controller, or was it the cable? See, I was thinking it might be that cable I was using. I've changed the cable. Oh, there's a little animal right there. Oh, look at him. Oh, look at that little mole. Oh, that poor baby. Where the hell's Bob Biker when you need him? Yep. You know they can't see. So, you better get his ass underground there somewhere. Alright guys, I'm gonna land. I'm not gonna catch it or nothing. Alright, the first flight on that thing was really, really good. I'm real happy with it. Alright guys, have a nice day, man. I'll talk to you later.